Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a little bit of a look at Quant here, and as you can see, really not much has happened over the weekend, over the past few days I should say, sorry. Over the end of the week, Thursday and Friday is probably what I'm trying to say, isn't it? You can see Quant here really not doing much over the past few days, probably in line with the wider crypto space to be honest. We've not really seen much of a movement in the markets at all over the past few days. Really we have just been essentially chopping sideways a little bit on support here for Quant, which is that 0.50 Fibonacci level, as you can see very clearly on the charts here, around that $132 level. You can see, obviously, I personally think that Quant right now is looking pretty damn bullish, to be honest. Although it is sitting on this trend line support here, and if this does get broken, we'll probably fall back inside this range yet again, won't we? But right now, the market's looking fairly optimistic and bullish, to be honest, which is nice to see. But obviously, you can see here on the charts, with this nice consolidation for a long time, really just ranging between that $100 level at the 0.38 Fibonacci down at the low, and then we've also got that 132 level at the 0.50 as well. You can see resistance, support, and then we came up and very simply we've got that breakout, and currently we are in the stage of back testing that 0.50 Fibonacci level, aren't we, for Quant, before potentially I'm thinking maybe a little move to the upside, which would be nice to see, obviously. And if that is the case, then we'll probably see the price action do something like this, where we bounce, come back up to this resistance, and then bounce, and then head up towards that 618. In my opinion, that's probably a fairly likely scenario. I have got a long position that has been filled in this area as well, with a stop loss just below here in case we do fall back inside the range. But I am looking to come up and target that previous swing high here, and we are, I do believe, in my opinion, heading up towards that 0.618 level for Quant, in my opinion. You can see here on the charts we've very simply got the breakout, the back test, and then if we get the continuation, that'd be really good to see, wouldn't it? So overall, things looking fine for Quant. Really not much happening over the past few days, though. You can see here we're kind of grinding on top of this previous support right now. You can see that we did actually come down to this level a few times here, tried to break it, but got two clean rejections off of that low there. We've come back up, and now we're bouncing every time off of that 0.50 level. So in my opinion, we'll probably end up having some continued support being formed there, and then hopefully heading up towards that 618 level fairly soon. Markets are looking quite bullish. I'm fairly optimistic, and a little bit, you know, I'm keeping my optimism fairly tame, but Quant's been doing very well in the face of this bear market, hasn't it? It had that huge decline, but the breakout of its bearish structure, and then since then, really it's had a decent move to the upside, hasn't it, where it's come up like this, and now looking like it might be coming up again towards some of these levels, now that it's come down and back tested a key level of support, that $100 level, a big psychological support, and in my opinion probably heading back towards that all-time high in the next few years, provided that we keep, you know, holding these key levels of Fibonacci structure. So right now I'm keeping, you know, I'm optimistic, but I'm keeping my head screwed on. I don't think we're particularly back in a bull market just yet. Obviously Bitcoin showing signs of life, but we need a few more confirmations, in my opinion, for that full bullish reversal off the lows that we have seen recently. But that is it for today, guys. That is my analysis. You can see here I've got a long position, and I'm waiting to take some profits up here on this previous swing high. I've also got a short position ready at the 618 at $175 if we reach that over the next few weeks. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, do please consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. It gives you access to the private Discord, and essentially you get access to me personally as well. I'll be hanging out in there most days, and it'd just be a great way to help support the channel if you want to do so. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.